Well guys, I'm on the Carnival Dream and we're docked in Saint Croix. I thought we'd get off with my camera and just do a little port walking tour, so come join me as we walk around the port of Saint Croix. Good morning.
Thank you.
Yeah, looks like we got a Royal Caribbean ship parked with us today. I'm not sure which one it is.
Hey, good morning.
Well, it does feel good out here. Nice breeze blowing. It's like a nice beach right over there.
Okay, let me get over there.
Looks like I've got a lot of little street vendors set up. We'll do a walk around, but the view is really pretty. There's a shot of the Carnival Dream and Royal Caribbean side by side. Looks like the Dream's the bigger ship. Always like to look at catamarans sitting out there. The water's beautiful. It's crystal clear.
But anyway, this guy makes it. And I said, well, if I use this soap, is my skin going to get wrinkle free like yours? He says, I use it in my hair too. And you can shave off it. I found a little something for April and TJ.
It's got chickens running around loose right here in the shopping area. Here comes some more. And some pigeons.
I bet you do.
All the chickens. Chickens just run up and down the street. The chickens just run everywhere. The little chicks.
I love those babies.
Well, it's really a pretty port. Pretty trees. You've got the ocean front. Looks like it goes on down. I'm not going to go any further. We've got some musicians down there playing. There's the cruise ships. Walk over and take a look at the water. Yeah, it's really pretty. Like people snorkeling right out here.
Yeah. Go around.
So Michael, how come you?
See a rainforest. Look.
Alright, looks like we got the Carnival Dream and the Rhapsody of the Seas. Looks like the Carnival Dream is quite a bit bigger than the Rhapsody of the Seas, although Royal Caribbean does have some huge ships. That particular one's not quite as big. I don't know if you can see it or not on the deal. There's a sea turtle, small one. Another day in Saint Croix. Welcome back, welcome home. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in Saint Croix. I have to say it's not a real big port, but it's very clean. A lot of places, got a lot of street vendors out. Seem very safe. So if you don't have an excursion here in Saint Croix, I highly recommend at least getting off the ship, walking around the port and checking it out. So hey, if you enjoyed this video, hey, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.